Yes, getting some big breaking updates coming in right now, viewers, and this is huge. In fact, we're getting some big breaking updates. Acting on intelligence reports, the Bihar Police headquarters has been alerted about the infiltration of 3 suspected Pakistan-based Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists in the pole-bound state through the Nepal border. The 3 individuals are Hassan Ali from Rawalpindi, Adil Hussain from Umerkot, Mohammad Usman from Bahawalpur are believed to have entered Bihar with potential plans to disrupt, I repeat, disrupt the peace ahead of the elections. A lot of security forces and agencies have intensified vigilance along the Indo-Nepal border, and a high alert has been issued across the state. 3 Jaish terrorists are suspected of infiltration, viewers. Of course, we'll try to get our viewers more updates on the story, but this is huge coming in. I repeat, this is huge coming in, given the fact that elections are around the corner and security agencies are going ahead and have issued a high alert. This is a big update coming in, intel coming in of 3 Jaish terrorists who are trying to enter Bihar through Nepal. The entire state of Bihar is right now on high alert. I repeat, the entire state of Bihar is now on high alert, viewers. We come to know that the Bihar Police headquarters has said that 3 suspected members of the Pakistani-based terror outfit Jaish-e-Mohammed have infiltrated, I repeat, have infiltrated Bihar through the Nepal border. The Bihar Police headquarters has issued a statewide high alert after receiving intelligence reports about the entry of Pakistan-based terrorists into the state. These are suspects which have been identified as Hasnain Ali from Rawalpindi, Adil Hussain from Umerkot, Mohammad Usman from Bahawalpur, as per information which has been shared already, viewers. And
देखिए, यह साजिश चाहे जिसकी भी हो, लेकिन कोई भी आतंकवादी की अब खैर भारत की भूमि पर नहीं है। यह मोदी की सरकार है और गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी की निगाह सीमा के एक एक इंच पर है। हम घुसने नहीं देंगे, जरूरत पड़ा तो उसको जहन्नुम में भी भेजेंगे और जेल भी भेजेंगे, और बिहार की सरकार भी उसके लिए चौकस है कि कोई आतंकवादी नेपाल की सीमा से हो या किसी सीमा से हो, बिहार में न घुस पाए।
all right, getting back to what's coming in right now on Republic TV, and 3 Jaish terrorists are suspected of infiltration. Now, let's tell you exactly what is happening. There are reports coming in that these terrorists have tried to infiltrate through the Nepal border. That is right. They believe to have entered Nepal with potential plans, and their plan is to disturb the peace. I repeat, disturb the peace ahead of elections. The entire state of Bihar is right now on high alert, viewers. The entire state is on high alert. We'll of course get our viewers more updates as to exactly what is happening, but this is a big update coming in right now. Security agencies have gone ahead and they are intensifying vigilance along the Indo-Nepal border, and a high alert has been issued across the state. I repeat, across the state. Now, the pictures can be seen on your screens. These are 3 pictures. The suspects have been identified, and their name is there on your screens. They are believed to be Jaish terrorists, Jaish operatives who have entered into Bihar through Nepal border. Remember that there are different routes these terrorists take to enter into India, Nepal being one of them, the Indo-Nepal border. Now, these are 3 suspects, and as you can see, the names are clearly written on the screen. So, there's Hasnain Ali, Rawalpindi, Pakistan, Adil Hussain, Umerkot, Pakistan, and Mohammad Usman. Mohammad Usman is from Bahawalpur, Pakistan. So back-to-back is coming in right now, viewers on Republic TV, and the entire state is on high alert. These are 3 Pakistani Jaish terrorists entering through Nepal to Bihar. And I really want to go ahead to my colleague who's joining us. We have with us Prakash, editor, Special Projects, joining us right now. Thank you for joining us here, Prakash. And you know what we see, Prakash, that patrolling has been intensified in border areas, from what we understand, including West Champaran district. We are seeing this is happening as the entire state, Prakash, is on high alert to catch these terrorists, these infiltrators. All right, Prakash, can you hear me? Prakash.
Well, yes.
Yes. Prakash, you know, we are showing those pictures of
Well,
these
yes.
terrorists, and we understand that the entire state of Bihar is on high alert.
First, let me speak. So, yes, the intelligence agencies have sounded an alert, and it is a regular protocol as far as the elections are concerned. And whenever the Prime Minister or any such dignitaries visit, it's a normal protocol of the intelligence inputs that such and such incidences are going to happen, and you have to take precautionary measure. And if it doesn't happen, it doesn't matter. And if it happens, then people say that the IB had alerted. But here we have sketches from because the Bihar police is not confirming as yet from where these sketches have come. But yes, there's a group called SMAC where it might have appeared from, and the names are Hasnan Ali, Rawalpindi, Pakistan, Adil Hussain, Umarkot, Pakistan, and Muhammad Usman, Bahawalpur, Pakistan. It is being said that these three people have been identified as Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists who have infiltrated into the porous border of Indo-Nepal area, and that extends to around 1,600 kilometers in Bihar itself, starting from Balmiki Nagar in West Champaran to Kishanganj in the Kosi belt, and that's a long, huge area, and the border is entirely porous, and it's very easy, safe gateway for any terrorists coming in from Pakistan via Kathmandu and then entering into Bihar, or so to say UP border as well, the adjoining areas of Gorakhpur, Padrona and other areas which joins Nepal's border. So these are the important catchment point from where the terrorists can enter and have been entering into Bihar, because remember Yasin Batkal was arrested from the West Champaran area in the forest area around 14 years back on the intelligence input of IB by the Bihar police. So this is nothing new, and though the alert has come, security agencies and different forces of paramilitary forces of Bihar as well as the central paramilitary forces have been alerted in Bihar, keeping in mind the fact that Bihar goes to the polls in October, November, and there would be visit of many dignitaries in Bihar, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi and several other important functionaries. So this is an important development coming in, and security forces have been alerted. Back to you.
All right, thank you for joining us with those details, Prakash. I really have to move ahead right now to some of the other stories we're tracking on Republic TV. And there is some more breaking updates coming in. RCB has issued a first ever statement on the Bengaluru Stampede incident. The RCB has said that the silence was